I feel lucky to be a part of Leech because we are a staple in the community. We've been here for over 75 years, and to be a part of this and to be local here, it's a great feeling to be part of something bigger.
I feel lucky to be a part of Leech just because I was kind of at a low point in my career, if you will. So I needed a change, and I'm just extremely happy that they took a chance on me. I'm hoping I made them proud. To say this feels like almost like a home to me is an understatement.
I feel lucky to be a part of Leech because I stay busy. I get a lot of stuff done, and I learn so much every day. It's great to have to just learn everything different all the time.
I feel lucky to be at Leech because I've been given the opportunity to learn some different machines, different approaches to doing some work.
What I really enjoy about working here at Leech is the people, the friendships I've made.
They work a lot for the employees, giving us what we need, and our family. They're very family oriented, I should say.